Welcome students to Andy's English Grammar channel on YouTube. This video is on the topic for class 9 English, The Fun They Had, written by Sir Isaac Asimov, and this video deals with understanding based and repeated questions and answers, CBSE class 9 English, also for non-CBSE. About the story. Theme. Set in the future, the story explores a world where traditional schooling is replaced by mechanical teachers. Message. Highlights the warmth, fun and social aspects of traditional schooling. So the story gives a message that old schooling or traditional schooling is having warmth, fun and social bonding between teachers and taught. Understanding based question 1. Why did Margie hate school? What kind of school did she have? Answer. Margie hated school because it was boring and mechanical. Her school was a room in her house with a mechanical teacher. She had no classmates and missed the fun of group learning. Understanding based question 2. How did Tommy find the book? What was strange about it? Answer. Tommy found the book in his attic. It was a real paper book, unlike their traditional or digital ones. The idea that the text stayed still on the page was strange to them. Understanding based question 3. What did Margie write in her diary? Answer. Margie wrote, today, 17 May 2157, Tommy found a real book. She was fascinated by this unusual find or discovery. Understanding based question 4. What did Margie think about the old school system? Answer. She thought it was fun, children learning and playing together and being taught by human teachers in a real building. Repeated question 1. What is the main theme of the fun they had? Answer. The story compares future computerized education with the traditional school system, focusing on the value of human interaction. Repeated question 2. How is Margie's school different from the schools of the past, of her grandfather or grandfather's time? Answer. Margie's school had no classmates and lessons were taught by a mechanical teacher via screen or through a screen, computer screen, unlike the interactive and lively school of the past. Repeated question 3. What does the story tell us about future education? Answer. It warns that future education may become too mechanical and lonely, losing the joy of social learning. Vocabulary and key terms. Mechanical teacher, robot-like teaching device, slot, space where homework is inserted, attic, storage space under the roof, crinkly pages, wrinkled old book pages. Higher order thinking. What do you think the author wants to convey through Margie's curiosity about old schools? The author stresses the importance of emotional connection and personal interaction in education. So students, I hope this understanding based questions, which are also repeated questions. Some of them will help you to understand the topic and answer tricky questions in the examinations. Please study them carefully. Also read your book thoroughly. Discuss with your teachers, friends and parents who can help you. And also subscribe to ND's Grammar channel on YouTube. Thank you. Summary points are also here. Margie and Tommy live in a futuristic education system. They discover a real book and learn about old schools. Margie begins to admire traditional schooling. The story highlights the irreplaceable value of human